Hey everyone, welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ. Today I'll be reviewing the Pluto TV Kodi Addon, one of the best free streaming add-ons for live TV and movies. Pluto TV is an amazing platform that offers hundreds of free live TV channels, along with a massive collection of on-demand movies and shows. And the best part? It's completely free and legal. But before we dive into its features, if you want to install Pluto TV on Kodi, I've created a detailed step-by-step guide on my website. Just click the link in the description below to visit the full installation tutorial. Now, let's take a quick look at what Pluto TV on Kodi has to offer. Live TV channels. Watch over 250 plus free live TV channels, including news, sports, movies, and entertainment. On-demand movies and shows. Access a huge collection of free movies and TV series anytime. Smooth performance. No buffering issues if you have a stable internet connection. 100% legal and free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just free content. If you're a fan of free streaming, then Pluto TV is a must-have add-on for Kodi. It's lightweight, easy to use, and provides tons of content without any hassle. Now I know many of you might be wondering, how do I install Pluto TV on Kodi? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Instead of making this video too long, I've written a detailed installation guide on my website. Just check the link in the description to get the full step-by-step tutorial and set up Pluto TV on your Kodi within minutes. Before you start streaming, I always recommend keeping your connection secure and protecting your online privacy. There's a special deal linked in the description that can help you stay anonymous while streaming, so make sure to check it out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest Kodi add-ons. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!